Sally from Hiram gave us a call, and she said she was up all night listening to a dripping sound that out of nowhere just started drip, 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 and she could not sleep worth a darn. So we went out there, and we come to find out that it was her shower valve was not closing all of the way. So even when she turned the valve off, the water kept drip, 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 and hitting the bottom of that shower, making a lot of noise. You know, of course, we were able to fix the drippy shower. We also wanted to check the water pressure, because quite often when a plumbing problem arises, it's not just one thing. It's like the doctor always checks blood pressure and looks in your ear and everything like that. We do the same thing in plumbing. We want to make sure that we know it was just a worn out part and that was it, or if there was an underlying cause. In this case, there was. The water pressure to the house was 100 psi, and that wears out everything much faster than it should. The house pressure should stay between 50 and 60 psi. We also had to change their pressure reducing valve while we were there. Hopefully that's, in time to where the rest of the shower valves and fixtures didn't start failing on her.